Hello, welcome back. Here's how you can resize your artwork in Adobe Illustrator. So when you think that your artwork or your design is too small, for example, this one, you want to extend the size of the grass maybe, or the sky in this artwork. So to do this, click on File and then click on Document Setup. Afterwards, click on Edit Artboards. As simple as that. And then you just extend the size of your document just like this, even to this, slightly downwards, and then click here to edit the elements. The grass, hold on. The grass, just like this. There you go. And then the sky, just like this. Or maybe you can put the sun somewhere else to this position, just like this. A note to give you that if you are resizing an artwork with an image, your image will be pixelated as it's enlarged. So I suggest dragging your resized image, which is larger than the image in the artwork before being resized or enlarged into your artwork. So that's it for the video about resizing your artwork in Adobe Illustrator. Thank you for watching. Give it a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. But for me, it's good day. Ciao!